How to rearrange favorites on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the phone application on your iPhone. Once the app is open, tap on the Favorites tab located in the bottom left corner of the screen. This section displays a list of your most frequently contacted people for quick and easy access. To begin rearranging, tap on the Edit button in the top left corner of the Favorites screen. This will put your favorites list into edit mode. You will see a three-line icon appear on the right side of each contact's name. Press and hold this icon for the contact you wish to move. While still holding, drag the contact up or down to your desired position in the list. Once you have arranged your favorites in the new order, release your finger. Finally, tap on the check mark in the top left corner to save your changes and exit edit mode. Following these steps, you can easily rearrange your favorites on an iPhone.